Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook soya bean. First, proper soaking is essential for tender results and better digestion. Begin by taking 1 cup of dry soya beans and placing them into a large bowl. Next, add at least 3 cups of cold water, making sure the beans are completely covered. Let them soak for a minimum of 8 hours, or ideally, overnight, at room temperature. This significantly reduces cooking time. After soaking, it is vital to rinse and drain your soya beans properly. Transfer the soaked beans into a colander and rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water for about 1 minute. This process removes any impurities and helps prepare them for cooking. Ensure all the water is completely drained. While rinsing, quickly inspect the beans for any discolored or damaged pieces, removing them to maintain quality. Now, let's cook them on the stovetop. Place your rinsed soya beans into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add fresh, cold water, ensuring you use a ratio of 3 cups of water for every 1 cup of beans. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and cook for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour and 30 minutes until the beans are perfectly tender. For a much quicker cooking process, consider using a pressure cooker. Combine 1 cup of rinsed soya beans with exactly 2½ cups of fresh, cold water in your pressure cooker. Secure the lid tightly according to your manufacturer's instructions. Bring the cooker to high pressure, then reduce the heat to maintain that pressure. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, followed by a natural pressure release. This saves considerable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.